The much celebrated and in-demand Maruti Suzuki Ertiga is in its second generation. The new car brought not just better space utilization and huge improvements in design, but also better build quality and features over the first gen. The Indian-made model was also expected to be much safer than the previous car, as the new crash and safety regulations had kicked in before its launch. The Maruti Suzuki Ertiga has scored reasonably well on a frontal offset crash test carried out by Global NCAP. The car received 3 stars each for adult and child occupant protection, but the car's body shell integrity score was borderline and fell into the unstable category. The Ertiga gets ISOFIX as standard, and so correct child seat installation is possible. That helped the child occupant score. While the older child seat showed better protection, the 18-month-old child's seat showed poor protection for the head and neck. The Ertiga's new generation is also on sale in Indonesia, and while the previous gen car had scored very high in a test done in 2016, the new one has not as yet been tested by ASEAN NCAP. Maruti Suzuki also launched a premium version of the Ertiga in the form of the XL6 that sells from the Nexa retail channel in August 2019. Carandbike reached out to Maruti Suzuki but has not received any revert on our queries regarding the Ertiga's crash test scores.